Hey, what's up guys, it's Austin from Skylight Junction, and I am very excited for this video, I kid you not. I've been waiting days for this thing to come in and it's finally arrived, and I'm gonna see if I can get this video uploaded by tonight. It is Monday, April 19th, and it's after 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This literally just showed up, and oh my god, I am excited to get this thing unboxed. Let's do this thing. Right, I had to take a minute because a family member just got home. Alright, let's get into this. I am dead excited for this. Okay, there she is in there. On you. So apparently he taped it, which is fine. I can gently take that tape off. There we go. Scotch tape, nothing to worry about. There it is. Holy cow. I am dead excited for this. Alright. Oh, it's on the other side too, isn't it? Yep, it is. Okay. There we go. Just gently peel it off. Oh, good. Here we go. Holy crap, sorry, that was my computer. Holy cow. No way. First time seeing this thing in person. This is unbelievable. Alright. Wow. Looks like this handrail came off. Yeah, it's easily fixable. There we go. But wow. Yeah, my friend wasn't joking when he said the paint there's a bit messed up, but he says literally all of them are like that, so yeah. But wow, it may need a good cleaning. Oh yeah, definitely gonna need a good cleaning. So I think I might get my paintbrush before I decided to run this and just brush off the underside. But yeah, that is just, this is beautiful. There we go. Just snap that back into place. Just look at that. So this is literally the locomotive of my dreams. The Lehigh Valley John Wilkes. I am so thrilled to finally have this thing in my hands. This thing is just awesome. Alright, now let's look at the tender. Come here, you. So I feel like I may have to dust this thing off because it's been in a foam packaging, but no big deal. So this tender looks like it's the same as the one on the F7 Hiawatha, which makes sense since they recycled that tooling pretty much. But yeah, tender's excellent. It's like an engine again. This thing's awesome. My favorite part is this piece right here. The front side. It always makes me think that this thing has teeth, you know, kind of like a mouse. I don't know why it makes me think that, but it does, and that is really, really cool. And it does look empty under the fireboss, because this thing was based on a Hudson tooling. So I guess Rivarossi was just a bit too lazy back then to make their own tooling for this thing. Well, this thing's own tooling, if that made any sense. Alright, let me get a paintbrush and dust this off. We'll give this thing a run. Okay, got a spare brush for the underside. Alright, that's good. Now to get the other brush I have. dust this thing off. I'm gonna do the same with the tender too. And there we go. Right, moment of truth, putting this thing on track. Alright. I am excited about this. Alright. There it is on track. It may need a bit of waking up, but we'll see. I think the directions are swapped a little bit, so yeah. Oop, just stuttered. Yeah, this thing may need some waking up. This thing is exhausting. I think that spot might be dirty. I'll have to clean that up. But yeah. Very thorough. I don't know if it's stuttering on them frogs or what. I guess that must mean it's waking up. I literally just got done cleaning the track and it looks like the thing's running much better now. So yeah. Still stuttering from it waking up, but yeah. And yes, that is the FEF that you see. I already unboxed that. You'll see it in the upcoming weeks. I think 2 weeks. So that about wraps it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm very, very thrilled to finally have this thing in my hands. This thing is just incredible. I do understand it's not that prototypical, but to me, it's perfect. It's 100% perfect in my opinion. This thing is just absolutely awesome. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.